your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is real-life situations involving division of fractions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve real-life situations involving division of fractions. So just recall the keywords for division as we did it before in my previous lectures as well. So this will be same for whatever whole number, fractions, and whenever we are going to have real life situations, you know that we have 4 operations total. Plus, minus, multiplication and division. This is the final thing. So for that sake, you need to remember these keywords. These keywords are divide, each, cut up, share, half, divided by, quotient, how many in each. The strategy which I'm going to use for doing the word problem, as you must be familiar with it right now, that is keywords. You need to remember the steps through this word. So this one is C. C stands for circle the numbers. U stands for underline the keywords. B stands for box the question. E stands for evaluate the operation. R stands for rephrase the statements. Finally, we have S stands for solve in steps. So for keywords method, we are going to solve one word problem or real life situation for you guys. Here it is. Let's solve this example. Fatima buys 9 whole 4 by 5 meters of fabric. She wants to make some frocks. If one frock is made by 1 whole 4 by 5 meters of fabric, find how many similar frocks can she make by that fabric. So you need to remember this thing. What? Remember that keywords method? Yes, you need to circle the numbers first. Or you can say that circle the fractions here. So what are the fractions? 9 whole 4 by 5. And my second fraction is 1 whole 4 by 5. So right now, what is the next thing? So U stands for underline the keywords over here, which are going to help you out in rephrasing the statements. Okay, so keywords over here are fabric, buys, right? Frocks, meter, similar frocks. Okay, so how many similar frocks? This is the main thing. Okay, so right now, what next? You are going to box the question. The question over here is find how many similar frocks can she make by that fabric. So right now, I have done it because I have to remember that what I have to do the whole situation and the whole procedure. For that sake, now C-U-B-E. E stands for evaluate the operation. So from that word, which word? How many similar frocks? Similar word is telling me that this is division. Okay? And each word is telling me that this one is division word problem. And the word is that one quantity is given and we are going to find out the whole thing. So that means that this is a division word problem. So right now, my dear students, R stands for rephrase the statements. So right now, I'm going to rephrase the statements for you guys here. The first sentence is Fatima buys. Means Fatima buys fabric is equals to 9 whole 4 by 5 meter. So in this step, I can just change this mixed number into improper fraction. So right now, how to make it? You already know that. So 5 9s are 45 plus 4 is 49 by 5 is my improper fraction of my first statement. So right now, I'm going to write down meter also. For that, I'm going to write a small m for this meter. So right now, my second statement will be fabric used in one frock. Yes, how many fabrics she has used in one frock? Yes, 1 whole 4 by 5 meter. So right now again I'm going to change this mixed number into improper fraction. So right now 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 by 5 meter is my second statement answer. Now my dear student, my final and third statement will be taken from this box question. Yes, this is total frock made. You can also write total frocks made by the fabric. Same thing. Or you can just rephrase the statements and the statement must be shorter, you know that. So right now, I'm going to write this one. Total frogs made is equals to 49 by 5, the first one, and the second one is divided by 9 by 5. Okay, so you know that whenever we are going to change the division symbol, we are going to take the reciprocal. Yes. So I'm going to do the same thing. So right now 49 by 5 I will write 49 by 5 as it is, and then I'm going to change that division symbol into multiplication symbol, and in the same step I'm going to write this 9 by 5 as 5 by 9. Okay, changing the reciprocal, changing the numerators by the denominator and denominator by the numerator, or you can say in this word. Right now I'm going to do cancellation because this is the same thing as we have done in the multiplication questions. So right now cut 5 here and cut 5 here, the numerator and the denominator of this cross multiplication. Right now cut 5 and write 1, cut 5 and write 1. Now the one thing which is left is 49 multiplied by 1. That will be 49. So I will write 49 and 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. 49 by 9 is my improper fraction. Again, because this is no more divisible by any other number, but I have to write down the answer in the lowest form. So that is why I will write it like, I will recall 9 timetable. 9 5s are 45. Subtract 45 from this number 49. So 49 minus 45 is 4. So I can write down this number over here, 5 whole 4 by 9. This is also I can do in shorter form. Or I can do this thing by doing like long division process kind of thing, putting the number 49 inside and 9 outside. 9 5s are, yes, 45. By subtraction, I will get the remainder 4. So Q whole R by D. Okay, here Q is 5, R is 4 and D is 9. So I'm going to write down the mixed number like this as well, that is 5 whole 4 by 9. So this is my complete answer. So I hope the whole situation and the concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.